Hey guys, I'm back. Hopefully you just finished watching the other one, otherwise this one won't make sense. So we just added stuff to scene. Now, let's put in some lighting. So I'm going to set up lights. Copy that. Okay. Set up the lights. We're going to need new light. Let's go up here so we can access it from everywhere. Private var point light. Oh no, we want to view 3D. We just want a point light. Right there. Okay. So down that. We'll do point light gets new point light. I don't think, yep, point light's simple. It's the easiest light to work with. I don't think we're going to need to worry about directional lights quite yet. But yeah, let's see. I want to test something. Let's do point light cast shadows gets true. And then point light dot y, this gets 500, so it's up above everything. And let's start. Okay, and we need to make a light picker. This is basically an array that holds all our lights. You add this up here. This is a member. Private var light picker. Light static light picker. 1 second. Yeah, static light picker. Okay, and this is basically an array that holds all our lights, and we can use it later to for shadows and shading and such. So materials will accept certain lights, so we could, make lights that don't actually create shadows, but they still create hot spots and such. So do light picker gets new light, not Luit, new static light picker, and we just add an array. We'll just do point light. There. Let's see. Sorry, I got a text. If you heard that, if you didn't, then I just told you. I'm not. Do I have to add that to scene? 1 second, let me check. It doesn't look like I added it to the scene. Oh, I think I added the light picker. No, let's see what happens. Okay, nothing happens. Okay, so go down here and see where I add colors. We need to actually, when it comes to this, make color materials. So we'll say floor color, color material. It's new. Oh, when you do that, we can just cut this. Oop. Ah. That, and then right here we just put floor color. Okay, that should work. And then from there, floor color dot I think we need to put lights first. Okay. 1 second. Looking over my notes. Yeah. Dot light picker gets light picker. Ooh, that's. And then if we want shadows, floor color dot or shadow method. Shadow method gets new hard shadow map method. It shows that it can, or says that it can accept shadows. And then we just add the light that we have, point light, and it's only one. So really we only can have one light that casts shadows, which is for the best per material. Optimization wise, keyword body, fraction, position. Yeah, okay. And then we can do the same for cube, var cube color material gets, I'll just copy or cut this. Cube color. And then I'm just going to copy these because it's going to be the same, except for instead of floor, we just go to cube. I hope you can hear that. It wasn't really important if you can see what I'm doing, and you should be able to see what I'm doing. So, and that, just go, light, oh, access cannot, oh, I know, because, stop. We, up here, problem I had is set up lights after set up objects, and that means our light picker is not set up yet, or our point light, so just put that above. Oh, oh, sorry, I accidentally paused somehow. Ben, why is that being used in another process? Test projects with... This is no object reference. Okay, and we stop. We start. Delete. Yes. Cannot be deleted. Okay, this is weird. It's probably something to do with something. What if... Oh, shadow map base. Exit out of that. Okay. Save. Well, it's still... It's being used by another process. What process is it being used by? It's not down here. Oh well, we can project, properties, build, output, bin/test objects 2. Apply. Okay. I'd do it another way. Okay, so that's working. Probably just have to go in and do something, but I don't feel like going and finding the process and killing it at the moment. Okay, everything's dark. Probably because we haven't added lights to the seam, and I'm trying to figure out where I did that. Lights, gets new lit point. And we'll do it here. So that's probably why we're not seeing anything. It's like, oh, we have lights, but there's no light in the scene. So, view.scene.add child point light. Okay. There. Alright, and kind of have shadows. Very hard because we don't have any ambient, so really to adjust lights we can go here under point light stuff, point light dot ambient. That way it's not either black or color, and we really don't need much. I think I keep it around 0.2, that way you can still have shading. And we'll take a look at that. See, it's not nearly as dark. Now we've got some hard fractaling over here, and I'll show you guys how to get rid of that. We got ambient. Go down. See, and then the point light can actually have a radius. Dot radius, and this kind of helps make stuff soft, where we don't really need much of a radius. Instead of being a point, it could be a little more spread out, so it softens up some color, softens up the shadows, and also creates a larger specular on objects. Then we can do fall off. Point light dot fall off, which you both have taken 3D, so it's basically it goes so far before it doesn't light anything, and I have about 1,000. So that should soften up our shadows quite a bit. See, yeah, makes it look nice. Also can adjust specular, it's a hot spot. We'll just go with 1, make it nice and hot. And yeah, I want to test something. Turn the cast shadows off, and I'm pretty sure it'll still cast shadows because of the way we have the materials. It does. Or it doesn't. It still casts shadows, but yeah, it's a very nice little thing. Okay, I'm going to end this video here because I'm almost at my 15-minute limit. So, yeah. So whether or not we have shadows, I'm going to turn it off for now because we really don't need it. Okay, so I'll see you guys at the next video.